Ever seen that weird little port under your car's dashboard and wondered what sorcery is this? Well, my friend, that's your car's OBD2 connector. The secret gateway to your vehicle's hidden secrets. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today, we are cracking the code on this mysterious little socket. Let's get started. What exactly is the OBD2 connector? Okay, first things first, OBD2 stands for Onboard Diagnostics 2. It's basically your car's check engine light whisperer. This little 16-pin port, usually hiding near your knees under the dash, lets mechanics, or you, talk directly to your car's brain. Think of it like your car's USB port, but instead of charging your phone, it's spilling the tea on engine troubles, fuel efficiency, and even why that annoying check engine light won't quit. Why should you care? Picture this, your check engine light pops on, panic mode activated. Do you ignore it and hope for the best? Spend $100 at the dealership just for a diagnosis. Plug in a $20 scanner and instantly know the problem. Yeah, option 3 wins every time. The OBD2 port gives you power, saving you money, stress, and those awkward mechanic small talk moments. Fun fact, OBD2 is standard, but not all cars play nice. Now, here's the kicker. All cars since 1996, in the US at least, have to have OBD2, but not all give up their secrets easily. Some only share basic info, while others, looking at you, fancy European models need special scanners. Pro tip, if your car's older than NYC, it might still be rocking OBD1, aka, the dark ages of car diagnostics. What can you do with an OBD2 scanner? Read trouble codes, bye-bye, mystery engine light. Clear codes. After you fix the issue, cheater, monitor live data, RPM, fuel trim, temperature, decal, smoke check prep, avoid failing emissions tests. So next time you spot that unassuming little port, remember, it's your car's cry for help. Or just a way to impress your friends with your newfound mechanic skills. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.